Two test matches. First one about to kick off, and the second one will be on Tuesday afternoon. Rocco Pereni says, let's go. Australia kicks off the first test. Fiji has the chance for the first carry.
10, push.
It's set up, comes back. Drills downfield. Callahan. Oh, the ball bounces through Fiji. No bust. Wow. Judged it well. 9th minute of play. It's Fiji with the first try. Maleli Novasi. It was Australia that didn't get the pass right. Novasi ran through to pick it up, broke a tackle, and then goodbye. Oh, Jackson Jury tried to get into Callahan, and then Novasi. What a finish. Fiji on the board. Good straight run that time, set up, Wangai Randovu, handing it over. This is Nui Nui. 22 meters mark, Australian territory. Break for Fiji, Novasi again, this time to Tuindraki with a Superman dive. That is Fiji. Whoa! Maleli Novasi, 16th minute of play, he scored one and he sets up the other. 12-0 Fiji. Beautiful play that time. It was taken up by Nui Nui. Novasi went in there. The guard dogs were not there for Australia. Novasi straight through, got caught. Tuindraki there in support like a good open side flanker. And Fiji in for their second try. 12-0. Conversion is good. Woolley looking for it. Channels it out to Jury. Good work by Jury. Now Australia and numbers out wide, and the try is there. Good work. And they get through in the corner. On the other side, the try. That's where we saw the space. Took that half gap. Good work. And then Waters getting it out for Roach to go over. Wait now. Oh, that's over. Oh, that was a good kick. 14-7. Wonderful run that time. And Roach in the corner. The break certainly was good. From the number 10, Jackson Jury. Played for the Fijian Warriors team at the Pacific Nations Cup Challenge in Samoa in April this year. So they've got some good experience, the Fijian side. As Grady Woolley gets in there, Jury. Big hit on him as Fiji. Now opportunity over here, that's picked up well, and a great finish from Volai Nambuaha. Fiji strike first.
What is that?
Second minute of play.
No, it was on the shoulder. Ball went forward.
The referee went to check.
No, it wasn't a knock on. On the shoulder.
Back.
On the shoulder. Okay.
He's given the try. No problem. Volai Nambuaha. What a hit that was on Jury.
James, this week confirmed
And
the
then Volai Nambuaha
on the shoulder.
towing that forward, and then the bounce was good, the pickup and the dive, beautiful. What a start, Fiji.
Yeah. Yeah, just hang on.
19 points to 7.
Okay, time off. Hang on. Okay, we're waiting your decision. James.
Volai Nambuaha. the pressure from Fiji. And they get the
Thank you. Go
profit right at the
Yeah,
start.
that's fine. That's fine.
Nathan
Yeah.
Stevens gets
DMO
the chance
confirmed.
now
All good.
to kick and see if he can add 2 more points.
Thanks, James.
What a start, Fiji. 3 tries to 1 now. Stevens. No, he hit the post. So, this hit was good. Koroi Nawai with the hit. And then Volai Nambowaha. Beautiful play by Volai Nambowaha. Dream start for Fiji. Second half. What a game Koroi Nawai is having on the blind side flank. QVS player. Wangai Randovu, another QVS boy, feeds that in. Oh, ball comes out. Now Wangai Randovu did well. Now, oh, that's good. From Rakamba and a good run. Ralulu gets it out. Nathan Stevens gets the ball in. That's beautiful. Ralulu, oh, he dropped it.
Okay. Mark on.
Rafael Ndanganga.
Mark on.
High over the top.
Advantage goal.
Fiji have lost it. Australia have possession. So Fiji can't work that line out.
Advantage
Now they got
over.
numbers. Australia, Callaghan,
Advantage, high tackle.
Volai Nambowaha. Got him there, I think.
Okay.
We will have to
Just clear up.
stop and
Just clear up,
wait
boys.
and check this.
Clear up.
And Jay Callaghan thinks he has got
hear
the
me out
try. We'll wait for the
Haven't
match
seen the
officials
grounding,
to
but I've seen a high tackle leading up to that.
make that decision.
What have you seen?
I'm happy with the grounding.
You happy with the grounding?
I'm happy with the grounding.
Okay. That high tackle was a penalty only, so I'll have a word with that player.
Okay.
Happy? Time back on.
Oh, he's
Try.
given the try. Try is there.
Bis, just have a word
Callaghan.
with number 11 White.
And it was all about
Number 11 White,
numbers.
just have a word with him.
Volai
We got
Nambowaha,
him at
Waters to Callaghan. Volai Nambowaha got him.
Indirect
But
contact.
Callaghan spun around and had the power to score in the corner. Great skills from the hard-working Australian fullback, Jay Callaghan. Waters from right out wide. And well, he's put that over. What a kick
It's indirect.
from
Player was also
Cooper
dipping the
Waters.
ball carrier, so it'll be penalty only.
19-14. Good work that time by Australia. Patea shifting it in the middle. Haslam. Haslam takes it out. Some big tackles coming in from Fiji. Graham gets it out. Patea looking for his option, still going. Now he gets caught.
Tackle now.
Dasalu Salu is there. Tuindraki gets in to help. Australia have it now. They're 60 meters away from the try line. Is this the fight back? Australia
Lost, wide,
take it up.
lost.
Fiji
Thank
try
you.
and get over the top of that. Ball is there for Australia. Now they get it
Thank you,
out.
James.
Waters getting away, trying to get away from Novasi. Pulls him down well, Novasi. Now,
Oi, oi.
is this the final play for Australia? Takes it up. Tuindraki
David,
doing
7,
well.
thank you.
Tuindraki getting over the top of that. Australia have it. Graham gets it out. Taken up by Blake. That's the halfway mark. The penalty comes for Fiji. Maleli Novasi gets the pass away, and Fiji, Volai Nambowaha gets them. Hail Mary pass, and the try is there for Meli Wangai-Randovu. Fiji make a statement. "24 points to 14. Last play, Novasi with the turnover. Novasi didn't wait to kick it out. Volai Nambowaha put the foot on the pedal and in the follow-up, Wangai-Randovu. What an offload. That's Fiji rugby at its best. And what a performance from the Fijian schoolboys here in Sigatoka. Boy, that kava must be tasting so good. Wangai Randovu. What a try. And Fiji 24-14 leading Australia. Bari now has the chance to have the final say. Ezekiel Bari makes it 26-14. Bari with the conversion, and Fiji close this out. Fiji have beaten Australia for the first time in under-18 schools rugby. 26 points to 14. What a game.